Hey guys, this is Alexis Sophia Leather. This video, we're gonna go over the prototype number 2 on this bag. I still have not come up with a name, but if you haven't watched my last video on it, this is the prototype number 1 and the prototype number 2. So let's look at it, go over what I actually implemented from the last one, and I think this is actually a finished product. So let's take a closer look. The obvious thing is I added the D-rings like I wanted to, and what this does is allow it to flap down like this. I got rid of that front pocket and just used a regular flat newspaper pocket, okay? For the front, this is gonna use that locking mechanism, the lock system, which is awesome. On the interior, it just has a one laptop sleeve. For the interior, it comes with a base, like all of my bags do. Come with a base to protect the bottom of the bag and give it a little more structure. And in the back, I added these D-rings back here for a shoulder strap. So this shoulder strap is the same as my other bags, no different, except the D-rings, all the D-rings are indeed a little bit smaller. They're 1 inch versus 1.25 inches, which I think that gives the bag a smaller footprint, and in fact it is lighter. But I misspoke on the last video, and I said that it was 14 by 11. That's a lie. I lied to you in that video. It's actually 15 by 11. My other bags are 16 by 12. So this is 1 inch shorter all the way around. Now I want to talk about the gusset. This is 4 inches, same as that bag over there, no difference. But let's check the weight of this bag versus my other bags are 5 pounds. So I'm gonna measure this real quick as far as the weight. This is leftover from my machine shop days. £3. That's including the shoulder strap. So we take this shoulder strap off. It's probably gonna be, well, let's see how much the shoulder strap weighs, just because. Half a pound for the shoulder strap. So this should be 2.5 pounds, close to it. 2.8 pounds, a lot more manageable, a lot lighter, smaller footprint. I'm excited about this bag. One thing I want to mention before I stuff this bag is I think what adds to the decreased weight, because this is like 4 or 5 pounds, and this one's like, we saw it, 2 3/4, 3 pounds, something like that. That's because I used 8-ounce leather for the main body and all the attachment pieces, all 8 ounce, okay? Not like 9 or 10 over there. So I think that's gonna add to just the functionality of this thing. It's not super heavy. But let's go ahead and fill this bag up with all my other stuff. This is a MacBook Pro. I'll show you what this looks like here in a second. Yeah, that fits no problem. A little briefcase thingy. Sorry, not briefcase, but you know what I meant. Okay. All right, so this is a laptop. It's I think a 15-inch laptop. I have in here, what you call that, checkbook. And of course, 3 books and a little notebook. A remarkable note-taking thing. So you can actually probably fit 4 books, you know, in here. That base really helps, keeps things nice and tidy. Now, what I'm worried about is this flap here. Will this fit all this? Yeah. Okay, no problem. This is probably where I would put it. And what does that look like? Okay, not the end of the world. Let's walk around with it though. I gotta get used to that locking mechanism. Maybe I put this in the middle here. Or I could leave that inside the, yeah, see, I don't know. I don't like the way that looks right there. But does it hold it all? Yep, no problem. Yeah, a lot lighter, a lot more manageable. And this is usually what I would have in this bag anyway. I like it. It fits. Oh yeah, okay. I'm into it. I'd probably put all the cords and everything in this front pocket. I'd probably leave it inside. That's probably what I would do. But yeah, you can easily open this up and get to whatever you got to get to in there. I think that's pretty cool. Closing it takes a little practice though. You got to get used to it. But yeah, I like it. This will be on the website soon. Check the description in the pinned first comments. It's probably on there already. I'll probably add that once I add it to the website. That's all I got for you guys. God bless you. Merry Christmas. If I don't see you guys, I'm probably not going to post for a while until after the holidays. But that's all I got for you. Let me know what you think about the bag. And that's it. Talk to you later. Have a good one. God bless you. Bye.